Hi all, welcome back. So guys, in this session, we will start to implement the framework from the scratch. So last session, I already explained you the framework structure and all. So now we'll start to implement from the scratch. So in this session, we'll create a folder, step one, then we will install Playwright. Then we will also install .env and verify the installation of .env. And I will tell you what is the use of .env. Create .env file. If it's not created, then we can create a manually. Okay. And inside this, we are going to, mention here the URL. Okay. So we'll go step by step. So I'll create one folder. Okay. So let me go to my D drive. I will create one folder. Um, the folder name, once again, the folder name we can write Playwright, okay, hyphen JS hyphen framework, okay, framework ecom, okay. So this is our folder we have created, okay. Inside this, so in this folder, okay, so I'll just open, I will import this folder in my VS Code. So we'll go and open folder, go to the location where we have created this folder. So I have created inside this a D folder, means sorry, D drive. So the folder name is Playwright JS Framework Ecom. Okay. So now guys, I already imported this, means I have already import this folder. Okay. So now will second steps what we can do. Second steps, I will install Playwright. Okay. So open the terminal and you can see when you will open this terminal, show it will um, you know open in the folder path location. So now I will install Playwright. So type npm, okay, init init Playwright. So guys, this framework we are going to implement with Java, Playwright with JavaScript, pure JavaScript we are going to use in this framework. Okay. So let me install. So now I am going through JavaScript. To select the JavaScript, just press enter, enter, and now okay, the Playwright is installing. So Playwright is already, you can see now Playwright is installing. Okay, still installing. So all the packages are installing now. So once it will install, then the next steps, okay, let them install. Once it will install, okay, let them install. So guys, it took little bit time while installing the Playwright. So I just paused the video and you could see now Playwright is already installed. So what is the next steps after installing the Playwright? We will install uh, .env. Okay. So let me install, I'll just write clear and you have to write the command npm install .env, okay, hyphen save .dev. Okay, so let me install .env and now you could see this .env also installed. So one more thing, next steps you could see what I have mentioned. Once it will install .env, we have to verify the installation of .env. So let me show you how to verify. Go to package.env. JSON. Let me show you. Go to the package.json, and you could see that this .env is already means installed. Okay, so this is how you can verify .env is installed or not. So here all this version is showing also. Okay, and after that you could see also um dot here you can see this folder will be also there in the node module. This folder will be also there. Okay, so you can see now .env we have installed, and we have verified also .env is you know already installed. So create a .env file in the project root. So guys, I will create this .env file. Okay, so what I can do, I'll just go to the project location. Okay, this is our project folder, and in this folder I'm just creating this manually. uh Not a folder, I have to create a, let me cut. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, mm, okay, let me delete. Okay, so I have to create a file. Okay, not a folder. So I have to create, will give the extension is dot env. Okay, let me show you so you guys can see. This is the text folder. Let me rename this. This is not required. Rename. Okay, just you have to put env. Okay, so now I will tell you here it's like a property file in Java. Okay, so we will mention here the URL. Okay, so guys, in this framework we have a one application. So we will write couple of scenario to automate. After that, understanding the end-to-end framework, you guys can um, write around 20 or 30 test cases. So we will start to work on this application. Okay, this is the e-commerce application, and couple of test cases we will start to write. So this URL I will use here. So when you are using the env, so env is like a, okay, we will write the value inside this env as a key value pair. Okay, so I have mentioned base URL, and this, sorry, base URL is your key, you can say the variable, and I have mentioned the URL. Okay, so that's all in this session guys. See you in the next one.